Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Domino 7 here, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing up this late or this early. It's past midnight, way past midnight, 2 hours past midnight. Well, it was 1:59. Now it's 2 o'clock on the nose, or 2 o'clock on the dot. Well, I say 2 o'clock on the nose just to be, well, let's see, what the hell? All right, so I'm about to go on my balcony. I will use this door. I don't always use that door. So I go in my own room. So I don't know how the hell I'm out. Well, I don't hear nothing when I be in my house in my room. For some reason. Oh, my best friend gonna be very angry with me. She said what stays on, I'm not gonna say the name of the street. Whatever goes on what street this is, will stay on what street this is. So I'm not gonna say nothing. She gonna be very angry at me when she watch this show, when this video is uploaded. So let me go inside right now. Oh, there we go. All right. Well, she gonna be very angry with me. All right. She having her party, unexpected party, and I have my unexpected party, chilling, playing some video games, and all that. Long as she not disturbing Dominoes 7, you know. But she gonna still be angry with me when she watch this video. So this video, if y'all watching me on Facebook Live, it's on Facebook Live. I don't know when the hell I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. Okay. I don't know when I'm gonna upload put this video on YouTube because my computer's crowded with files. Okay. Of videos I haven't uploaded on YouTube yet. Okay. So if this video on YouTube, I probably done invited her over to watch this already. She'll probably put me in the headlock and give me some noogies. Oh, Shamika, you gonna give me some noogies? Well, she my Facebook friend, but not on this one, you know. She'll say you better leave me alone. Yeah, you great big jackass. Excuse me. Okay. I don't know why I'm a, you know. I also had too much pizza, you know. I ordered some pizza, you know. 4 pieces. Gave her a slice. Gave her sister something. Sure, these sisters. Yes, indeed. Oh, I know. I mean, that's why I'm being careful what I see, because I don't know who watches the Domino 7 show or the Domino 7 show Facebook Live, you know. I don't know who watches this, you know what I mean? I mean, she could be watching right now, I don't know. Well, I'm talking about right now as of a couple of days from now, or a year from now, or 2 months from now, or something like that. It's 2 o'clock, probably 2:01 in the morning. Well, maybe she on my mind, hoping she's all right. But I just went to see if she was okay. But she's fine. Anybody that be up this late is very concerned of any kind of way. You know. So eventually upload to YouTube. It took me a long time to upload that a video of me by Ryan House, my Facebook Live, by Ryan House, aka Big Play. It took me a long time. You know, but I ain't even upload that one hell of a night of a video. I mean, say Facebook Live to my YouTube channel yet. You know, so so. Well, I'm just saying this out of perspective way. Just let y'all know what the heck is everything. Uh, I'm concerned, but I don't even nobody telling Dominoes 7 how to. Okay. So, all right. Jeez, I gotta stop worrying because I'm fine. She's fine. So need to be careful of how I open my door because I don't want no lizards or no cockroaches in here. Everything is kind of sealed. You know, yeah, everything is kind of sealed. Yep. All right. Look at this. Right side up. MechaCon. Okay. And y'all know MechaCon was canceled. Bobby gave me this. Yeah, thank you, Bobby. Yep. I wonder how many of you seen this? Street Fighter 3X. Street Fighter X3. Let me see. Yeah, that's right. Street Fighter X3. Have any of you played this before? When Ryan and Solomon was over here a couple of weeks ago, I should have had them to play this because I don't think they know this game exists. I let Solomon and Ryan see that Gradius 5. Solomon say he can't play that because when he said that I knew because Solomon nerves would get bad. He'll be cursing like crazy. Just like it took Solomon a long time to learn how to play Gradius 3 for Super Nintendo, So look at this. You know what? I could have put that poster downstairs, Now you're playing with power since 1985. And this one right here. Now you're playing with power, superpower. So when I get to a new house, if God bless me with a den, I'm going put those posters in a den, okay? And this one right here, my grandmother. I think I'll put this picture in either in my den or in my bedroom, Den, living room, or bedroom, whichever one. Okay, this picture means a lot to me. When I was a child, when I used to go to my grandmother's house, I used to always see this. Yep, that picture mean a lot to me. I love that picture. Yes, indeed. So let me go out and check things out again. Hey, do y'all hear that? Uh-oh. I'm in big trouble. Well, let me stop this, okay? I'm gonna try to go to sleep, all right, tonight.